do the little finger touch on his nose. Oh!
He likes to push his nose against your...
Yeah, he was trying to bite her.
That's because
But he won't...
That's because my hand's a toy now.
He does not bite down hard. I mean...
Oh, he's not even scratching now. He's being all sweet.
He said, "You're teasing me. I'm going away."
We're playing.
Cleo, what are you doing? Where'd your sparkle ball go? You need a string or something, Linda, to play with him with.
Here, right on top of there is a turkey string.
Ooh, a turkey string. You're a lucky cat. You're a very lucky cat.
Perfect.
With your turkey string.
Turkey.
Well, I don't know about that.
Oh, yeah. You're too fast.
Oh, sorry. I'm used to the other cat. Now let's put this side. Has that little... Oh, that one does too.
Right there. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. He doesn't chase it. He likes to.
He's well inside.